Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to fix if JJSploit is not working or installing or opening. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, what you need to do is click on the start button. Select settings. Now go to update and security. After going to update and security, click on Windows security and then virus and threat protection. Scroll down to virus and threat protection settings and click manage settings. Now turn off real-time protection. After doing all that, what you need to do next is type add or remove program in the search bar and press enter. Scroll down and find JJSploit in the list of installed programs. Click on it and select uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. Now what you got to do next after uninstalling JJSploit is to reinstall it. So for that, what you need to do is open your Chrome browser and visit the following URL, that is www.mediafire.com. Now search for JJSploit and click download to get the setup file. Now open File Explorer and navigate to your downloads folder. Locate the JJSploit setup file you just downloaded. Double click on the setup file, click next, choose your installation location and click next again. Now click install and then finish once the installation is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to fix JJSploit not working on Windows 10. And that's pretty much all about how you can fix if JJSploit is not working or installing or opening. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. And I will see you guys in the next video.